weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, all throughout the holiday weekend, you've been privy to some really nice weather, the lower humidities, lower temperatures, unseasonably cool a couple of those nights as we were all watching the fireworks shows around southern Kentucky. Now we're starting to feel a little bit more heat, a little bit more humidity, and with that will come some added rain chances. Rain is something we desperately need. As we take a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar, not seeing anything just yet. Far to the west and northwest of us, there's a cold front, and it could begin to touch off some isolated shower, thunderstorm activity later this afternoon. For that reason, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined the slight risk severe weather threat this afternoon for locations mainly north and west of the Bowling Green area, specifically along the Ohio, the Wabash rivers. But tomorrow, as that cold front eases southward, and I think all of the WBKO viewing area will be under that slight risk for the possibility that any thunderstorms that form out ahead of the cold front could contain maybe some damaging wind, large hail, some heavy downpours of rain. Tornado threat here as we get more into the summertime goes down. We can't completely rule that out, of course, with any severe weather situation, but this is going to be more of a damaging wind threat, straight line winds, maybe some large hail if that develops tomorrow. Now, clouds could have a lot to do with cutting down on the severe weather threat. We'll all have to see how that plays out tomorrow, but just be aware that during the day tomorrow, especially during the afternoon and evening, there could be a few severe storms here in southern Kentucky. Well, let's check things out as far as the precipitation chances today, about 20%. And as I mentioned, that's going to be primarily north and west of the Bowling Green area, but our rain chance does increase to 60%. In other words, that's a 6 in 10 chance that you will get rained on tomorrow with those thunderstorms and that cold front coming in. And as the cold front leaves us, the rain chances go down over the next few days to almost nothing. So we're hoping that tomorrow we get some beneficial rain out of that system. Temperatures now mainly in the low to mid 80s. Anywhere you look across south central Kentucky, then you throw in the amount of moisture, that's the dew point temperature. And now we're starting to see, like we did before the nice cool down of the 4th of July, some 70-degree dew points, which means now that extra muggy air is starting to come into play. And that also helps the heat index temperatures, or the way it feels against your body, now into the upper 70s to where it feels like even the low 90s now. 90 is what it feels like in Hartford, feels like it's 92 in Greenville, feels like it's 93 degrees in Madisonville. Here's a live look from Doppler Cam. It's mainly sunny. We've got a few fair weather clouds now as we look off to our south. 84 is the current temperature, but it feels like 88. That's your heat index. South-southwesterly wind at 11. The good news is we've got some breezy conditions out there, and from time to time, maybe even a 15 to 20 mile per hour wind at times out of the southwest as we go through the afternoon, helping keep the air stirred up just a little bit. Greenville, you're looking at a sunny 88 degrees over in Muhlenberg County. Edmonton seeing fair weather, your temperature at 81. Litchfield, a few high clouds here and there. You're at 82 in Grayson County. And the Mammoth Cave National Park, 84. But look how dry the Green River Basin is right now, reflective of that lack of moisture that we have seen of late. 86 at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour, with a 2-degree difference from yesterday to today. In fact, most locations seeing temperatures a few degrees warmer over yesterday's readings. Now, the radar satellite, radar setup here, I should say, showing a broken line of showers off to our northwest. That's the cold front that will come in this afternoon to the north of us and maybe touch off a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Everything takes a break for this evening, and then as the front closes in on us tomorrow afternoon, I think that's going to be our better chance for getting showers and thunderstorms right along and ahead of that front. And as mentioned, some of those could be strong to possibly severe. Hot and humid otherwise today. Afternoon showers, 93 with a heat index near 100. Chance of showers tonight, 73. Tomorrow up to 91, a 60% chance of showers and storms. 86 as the showers leave us on Wednesday. We get a break Thursday and Friday. Then it's back to the same old thing by the weekend. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.